पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. The topic is Chinese project at Balochistan port. Since the second week of November, there have been continuous protests in Gwadar, Balochistan against mega development plans of the port city as part of the China-Pakistan economic corridor. What's the issue? Well, locals have sought to draw attention to marginalization of the local people in the development of the port. They are angry that not only are they being excluded, their present livelihood too has been endangered. The local concerns: Balochistan is among the least developed, even though the most resource-rich of Pakistan's 4 provinces. The main means of livelihood for people in the region is fishing. Balochistan has the lowest access to drinking water, electricity, and even gas, which is the main resource of the region. Concerns of India and the West. India has been concerned that Gwadar, which gives China strategic access to the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean, is not just being developed as a trade entrepot, but as a dual-purpose port for use by PLAN, the Chinese Navy, and is intended to expand Chinese presence in the Indian Ocean region alongside Chokpu in Myanmar and Hambantota in Sri Lanka. With vital military interests in West Asia, the US too is concerned about the Chinese presence in Gwadar. About CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. It was launched in 2015. The CPEC is the flagship project of the multi-billion-dollar Belt and Road Initiative (BRI), a pet project of Chinese President Xi Jinping, aimed at enhancing Beijing's influence around the world through China-funded infrastructure projects. The 3,000-kilometer-long China-Pakistan Economic Corridor consists of highways, railways, and pipelines. CPEC eventually aims at linking the city of Gwadar in southwestern Pakistan to China's northwestern region, Xinjiang, through a vast network of highways and railways. The proposed project will be financed by heavily subsidized loans that will be disbursed to the government of Pakistan by Chinese banks. But why is India concerned? Because it passes through POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir. CPEC rests on a Chinese plan to secure and shorten its supply lines through Gwadar with an enhanced presence in the Indian Ocean. Hence, it is widely believed that upon CPEC's fruition, an extensive Chinese presence will undermine India's influence in the Indian Ocean. It is also being contended that if CPEC were to successfully transform the Pakistan economy, that could be a red rag for India, which will remain at the receiving end of a wealthier and stronger Pakistan. Besides, India shares a great deal of trust deficit with China and Pakistan and has a history of conflict with both. As a result, even though suggestions to reapproach the project pragmatically have been made, no advocate has overruled the principal strands of contention that continue to mar India's equations with China and Pakistan. That's all on this topic for today. Stay tuned for more regular updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की.